For more updates, click on subscribe and click on bell button for latest notifications.
Let's install the Nagios core in this entire 7 virtual machine. So now I'm going to download this. First of all, change the security settings, the SE Linux, disable this SE Linux and set the enforce equal to 0 and stop the firewall. And if it is on, then allow the HTTP and HTTPS and reload the firewall. And after that, install this required dependent packages, which is wget, php, gcc, glib, common, gd, glevel, gd, and gdevel, make, net snmp, perl packages, and openssl packages. So after that, it will take some time to download and install the dependent packages, so which might be more uh, nearby 200 packages which will install, because we installed this Nagios core in a minimal mode, so it install all the dependencies. So now meanwhile it is downloading, we just go to download the Nagios core. So if you go to the Google and search for the Nagios core download, and it redirects to the Nagios page, and click on the Nagios core download, come down and click on the download. Now provide the details, your name, email address, phone number, country details, and click on the download page. So it will redirect you to the download page once you click on the download. So here I'm giving my details and select the country. So you can fill only the mandatory fields, not required fields you can just leave it. And select this agreement details and click download. So now you can see that download page is available for us. Now you can just copy the latest URL, the stable latest URL. Right click and copy the link location here and go back to the server. So package complete, installation completed. Now you can just see duplicate and paste that URL, so which will download the Nagios core package on your Nagios server. So here you should have the internet connectivity if you want to download. Otherwise you have to download in another system and manually upload it here. So let's uncompress the package tar-xvf and package name. So it's uncompressed. Now let's go to the folder. Let's create the user, Nagios user, nagcmd group, and add that user into the nagcmd. So these are the commands. After that, you just run the /configure with the Nagios user and the nagcmd group. So here we got the error saying that the unzip is not found. So install this package m install unzip, so that it will resolve the that unzip issue. Now again rerun the command. So that is the error here. So it will resolve automatically. If you see the similar error, you just need to install the unzip command and run again the configure with the cmd group. So it will take few moments to complete this compiling, and after that it will come here and run the make all. So make all in the sense whatever it is configured, now it will make the packages. After that, so you can just install the packages. So now run make install, so it will install it, and again make install init, so it will install the actual daemon, and make install command mode, so it will install the commands, and make install config, which will actually configure the sample configuration files. make install exploitation, and make install web config, which will install the theme and the web configuration file. After that, create the user database. Then create the Nagios admin user. Enable HTTPD to start up and start the HTTPD web service. Then enable the Nagios service. Then start the Nagios service so that it will start the Nagios service. Then after that, you just verify the configuration whether it is looking fine or not. So every time we run this command to verify the Nagios configuration, so that's why I'm just going to create this command as a this line as a command. So I'm no need to remember every time this big command. So instead of that, I just making this simple command that verify Nagios. The same line I'm pasting out here and changing that configuration to the 777 mode, the script file /bin/verify Nagios. Let's grab the IP address of the server using the IPA command. Then copy that IP address and go back to the browser and paste it and say /Nagios and provide the Nagios admin user and password we just created. And now you can see that Nagios core is installed successfully. You can able to see that Nagios console. If you go to the host, and you can see that local host is by default. So but it checks are all right. Let's install the plugins. So now go to the TMP folder and download the Nagios plugins. Copy the link location and go back to the console and say wget and paste the URL, so it will download the Nagios plugins. So which gives the error because the SSL certificate enabled on the plugin side. So just say again run the command with no check certificate. Now it's downloading the package. So extract this plugins package. tar-xvf and provide the path. Then go into the plugins directory and run /configure with Nagios user and nagcmd group. Make all and make install. So it will install all the plugins and copy that plugins into the /usr local nagios libexec location. You can see that these are the plugins. Now you can go back to the console and see that the checks will going to be completed. You can see one green. That's it. You have installed and configured the Nagios core successfully. Let's jump into the post installation tasks.
That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos and courses. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, the link is given below on the description. Click on the link and join the WhatsApp group for connecting with more technical people.